New tonight, we're learning police in Prince George County are investigating a shooting that left 2 men dead on New Year's Eve. When officers arrived, they found 20-year-old Tremaz Tynes of Surrey County dead at the scene. The second victim, 22-year-old Devon Clayton, was rushed to the hospital. He later died from his injuries. People at the party ran when police got to the scene, but officials are confident someone saw what happened. So if you know anything at all about what happened, or if you witnessed it, you are asked to please call the Prince George Police Department. That number is 804-733-27